Valderrama, paso Yorlito, to the right. Wala, foul. 2 free runs, stop yan. 2 free throws yan. Foul, who's foul rep? Melvin, number 7. 2 free throws for Yorlito. Melvin. First throw, wala. Okay, ready jumper tayo. Last throw. First team foul yun ng Bandidos. Second throw, good for 1 point by number 11. Number 1, pass to Janjan, number 19. Number 19, dribbling the ball. Set ang play. Pass to Jarabelo, number 5, looking for his teammate. Pass to number 1, back to Jarabelo. Number 5, pull-up jumper. Good for 2 points by number 5. Marco. The score is 21-18. Lamang pa rin ang ating Burao team. Na-intercept number 1, nice defense. Good defense, Janjan. Pantay, steal. Foul. Janjan. Sino foul rep? Foul, Janjan. Hindi, diretso lang. Number 19 foul. Second team foul. Double dribbling by number 24. Turnover by Buraot. Bandido ball tayo. Jarabelo, looking for his teammate. Pass to Moralde, number 1. Number 19, wala. Rebound to Melvin. Sa rebound, pumersa. Line feed. 9 ball violation. Buraot ball. The time is 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Ang natitira sa ating oras. 21-18 naman ang ating score. Valderrama. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Bandido ball. Out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo.
Tatlo.
Pass to Jarabel, number 5. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 5. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Nelson on the rebound. Pass play by Nelson. Pumeke. 2 points. Wala. Rebound Isaga, number 6. Pinasa kay Rostom. Si Rostom. Subray. Pumeke. Wala. Wala pa rin. Foul. 19. Janjan. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for number 18. Rostom. First throw. Good. Walang sayad. Walang sabit. Madulas. Parang may alulod. Banayad whiskey. Number 18 again. Wala. Number 1. Pass play. Nice catch. Ang ganda na salo. Nag-double dribble. Ganda na salo. Pangit ang dribble. Buraot na Rostom. Dumright. Oy. Block. 3 second violation. Valderrama. Bola. Number 1. Dribbling the ball. Sa nagpo-point guard. Pinakamalaking point guard to. Janjan. Umatake. Wala. Number 1. 1 rebound. Wala. Sadya ulit. Pass to Melvin.
8 second shot clock.
8 second shot clock. Wala. Uy. Nag-iisa. Walang kadate. Ah, 5 minutes. Time out. Committee. Change player na. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Change player. Change player. Okay. 5 players. Pasok ang mga 5 players.
Tubig. Magtubig kayo.
Bilis. Labas. Bandido ball tayo. Bandido ball. Okay? Ready, rep? Okay, game. Okay. Pinapawisan kami dito. Wala bang malamig dyan? Mainit dito. Oo, kahit yung may yellow. Edwin, wala, kapos. Buraot ball. Gary, pass to number 21. Wala, lumampas ang bola. Jude. Umatake, pass to Sambo. Tumira ng toss, jumper, wala. Rebound by Robert, pass to Gary. Si Gary, diretso, pass to number 21. Out of bound, turnover. Bandido ball tayo, bandido ball. Jude, the score is 24-18. Animan lamang ng ating Burao team. Nawala ang bola. Torres, toss to Edwin.
15 seconds shot clock.
30 seconds shot clock. Nagaw. Gary, pass to Padilla, out of bounds. Jump ball, Burao ball. Hindi, bandido ball pala, sorry, bandido ball. Burao carry na lang. Jump ball. Bandido ball. Sambo, walang pantay, tumira ng dos, wala, sumabay ka pa. Padilla, mukha ka sa ere, 2 points by Padilla number 12, easy 2 points yun. Jude, tumira ng 3, good for 3 points, parang si Brownlee lang.
Overtime.
Gary, paso Padilla, bumawi ng 3. Paso number 5, wala. Good. Number 21. Gary, tumira naman siya ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bandidos ball. Last 3 minutes and 18 seconds, 26-21. The score is 26-21. Lamang ang Buraot ng 5. Jude. Foul number 21. Free throw? Wala, diretso na. Oh,
13 seconds shot clock.
30 seconds shot clock tayo. Last 2 minutes. Jesse Lou, wala. Yun ang free throw. Foul. Oh, stop. Foul Gary. Warning for penalty, Buraot. Number 2 foul. Ha? Wala pa ba? O sino mga nanalo dyan? Magpa-soft drinks naman. Yung mga nanalo sa gilas. Di pa nakaka-shout pa yan. Malikot eh. Pag-shoot time out. Ayan. Sige, pag-shoot time out. Jesse Lou, bikot! Garty. Good. Wala. Time out, Bandidos. Bandidos ball, time out, Bandidos. Jude, the point guard. Number 14. Dumray. Offensive foul by number 14. Buraot ball ngayon. Last 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Foul yun. Kay number 14. Kakatos eh. Number 21, Dumray. Wala. Jude. Both team warning for penalty. Jesse Lou, wala. Rebound agad by Jesse Lou. Foul. Penalty. Foul number 5. Penalty. 2 free throws. O baka naman makashoot na tayo dyan. Uy, yung sunod. Shoot natin yung sunod.
Pang overtime ng Gilas.
Oh, yan, pang-overtime. Overtime. Uy, lumaba.
Ayaw talaga.
Padilla, Dumray, pumas break, lumayap. Counted yun. Tigil tayo, oras. Foul counted. Sino foul rep? Jesselo, Jesselo. Rebound by number 11. Wala pumasok, wala. Sambo!
Oy!
Inihagis na lang basta-basta.
Robert!
Parang nagulat na. Shoot, na-intercept ni shoot. Number 11. Number 11, Dumray. And one, counted. Foul, number 12, Padilla. Foul, Padilla. Penalty, penalty.
Pass break na, Premente Bert.
Counted.
Ikaw lang mag-pass break, Premente. Bababa, nakauna. Lugi man ka sa rebound, di man ka makakuan. Pass break, lamang ka. Advance sa kadaan.
Good point, Jude. Good for
Pwede ka ni,
1 point.
pundon lang ka diya.
Alright.
Agaw, tapos baba.
Padilla. Last 50 seconds.
Baba na,
tayo.
Bert.
50 seconds.
Yun o.
Edwin, pumas break. Tumira ng 2 points by Edwin. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Buraot. Dalawa na lang. Last 38 seconds.
Tuloy na ikot yung kamera.
26. Dalawa na lang ang lamang.
Baba na, Bert.
Jude.
Baba na, Bert.
2 versus 2. Sambo. 2 points by Sambo Robert. Last 20 seconds. 17 seconds. Tabla ang laro. All 28.
Agaw, Bert. Tapos baba ka agad, Bert.
Last 12 seconds.
Baba na, Bert.
11. Wala. Tigil. Penalty. Balik tayo sa 10 seconds.
Balik tayo sa
10 seconds.
8 seconds ang shot clock.
Apat na?
Sino foul?
Si Robert?
Sino foul? Sambo.
Apat na?
Warning for graduation.
Tawang-tawa si Melvin, oh.
First throw, wala. Ready jumpers.
Oy,
10
Sambo.
seconds tayo, ha?
Sambo, tawang-tawa si
10 seconds
Melvin.
na lang, 10 seconds. One point. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counted pa yung pagsugot. May foul pala.
Hindi, naabutan eh. Abot na pa yung oras man. Pa yung oras. 3 pa eh. Pagbitaw eh.
Okay, last throw.
Oh, pang-overtime ng Gilas. 20 real ka. Uy, bulabog ka diya. Ay, 50 diya.
Good for 1 point.
28-31.
Okay. Buraot ball tayo. Buraot ang bola, buraot. May palitan na.
Borat ball.
Okay, game.
Yun na naman.
Stepping the line. Basic na basic. Jude. Crossover. Graba tayo number 6. Foul. Sagal number 6 foul. First team foul by Burao. First team foul yun. First team lang. Second personal foul. First team foul. Yao Ming rebound. Pass to Padilla. Dumray. Pasusagal na wala. Hindi na salo. Malakas ang pasa. Number 1. Pass to number 19.
11 seconds shot clock. 6, 5.
Back to 24 seconds tayo. Foul! Jarabelo, blocking foul. Para kang bumangga sa unan. Hindi. Diretso lang. Very good. Akong bahala. Patigil for 3! Wala, rebound by number 1. Pass to Jude. Jude. Wala. Padilla. Rostom. Foul. Who's foul? Who's foul? Uy! Uy, Jude, pass break! Good for 2 points by Baladia, number 11. Lamang na. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Buraot. Isa na lang. Na-intercept. Number 1, pass break naman yan. Diyan. Uy, traffic papapalayo. Time out! Buraot team. Last 7 minutes and 41 seconds. Substitution. Intercept ni Janjan. Janjan. Hindi-dribble. Pass to Jude. Jude. Number 11. Jumbrad. Pass to Janjan. 2 points. Foul number 24. Counted? Walang count. Buraot ball. Yao Ming! Wala! Kanya ulit rebound. Foul! Carabello. Sa baba. Diretso na. Third team foul. Second personal foul by Jarabello. Second personal. Third team foul. Rostom. Pass to Gary number 2. Dumray. Pass to Nelson. Nelson. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Torres. Pass to Jude. Marco to Janjan. 2 points by Janjan. Lamang na ang Bandidos. Lamang na 32-31. Last 6 minutes, 17 seconds. Lamang na ang Bandidos. Nelson, pumeke. Pass to Yao Ming.
13 seconds shot clock.
30 seconds shot clock. Rostom, tumira 3. Wala. Jude. To Marco. Marco, na-intercept. Kaagaw ni Gary. Rostom. Padilla, bumamba. Wala. Naagaw. Uy. Nabawi. Jude. Janjan. 2 points by Janjan. Tatlulan lamang ng ating Bandidos. 34-31. Umikot. Wala. Good job. Good. 3 points. Tabla. Time out. Bandidos. Tabla tayo. All 34. Last 5 minutes and 56 seconds. All 34. Cold water muna. Jude. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Jarabello. Tumira 3. Wala. Rebound by number 1. 2 points. Good for 2 points by number 1. Palata. Nelson. Wala. Marco dribbling the ball. Pumas-break si Marco. Pass to Jude. Wala. Janjan. Pasa gitna. Wala. Black foul. Tigil ang oras. Two free throws, rep. Free throws. 2 free throws. Ang sayang so agad. Okay, huling tira na yan. Huling free throw eh. Last free throw. Rostom. Nelson. Uy, pumeke. Lumapit. Wala. Rebound di Janjan. Janjan, tatakbo na naman. Pass break, Jude. Tumira 3. Wala. Rebound by Gary. Pass to Nelson. 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 Nagdepensa ng usay.
12 seconds shot clock.
Traveling violation by our Borao team. Jude. Sino?
13 seconds shot clock.
Sa dead ball tayo. Wala. Up. Traveling. Substitution. Gary out. Torres out. Pasok. Melvin. And Alvin. Sab. Edwin. Si Sab. Si ba? Jesilu. Okay, pasok na lahat. Pasok yung kapasab. Pasok. Okay. Marco. Tumira. Good for 2 points by pull-up jumper ni Marco Jarabelo. 38-34, apat lang. 2 points by Padilla. Binawi. Dalawang lamang ng Bandidos. 38-36. Last 2 minutes and 56 seconds tayo, mga kababayan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang laro. Jude, pinasa kay
11 seconds shot clock.
Jesilu, tumira, wala. Number 5, Nelson, to Padilla. Deadlock na naman tayo, tabla. 38 all. Parehas 38. All 38. Jude. Attempts for the 3 points. No good. Football Buraot ball. Ang ball ay sa Buraot. Robert. Pass to number 18. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. 2 minutes 17 seconds. Padilla. Pass to Roscoe.
13 seconds shot clock.
13 seconds shot clock. Padilla. Tumira ng 2 points. Lamang na ang Buraot. 40-38. Last 2 minutes. Jesilu. Pass to Marco.
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock.
7.
Foul. Counted. And 1. Tigil on. Who's foul? Who's foul? Roscoe, number 18. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty for out. Wala. Number 5. Wala. Padilla. Same ball. Out of bounds. Roscoe to be tres. Good for 3 points by Roscoe. The score is 43-40. Lamang ng 3 ang Buraot. The score is 43-40. Last 1 minute and 12 seconds tayo sa ating ball game. Si Jude, umikot. Umulak, jumper. No good. Rebound by Jesilu. Naagaw. Marco. Pass to number 1. Diyan. Bawal ka dyan. Uy, nawala. Padilla. Last 30 seconds tayo. Pasok. Padilla. Last 25 seconds. Rodriguez pa? Rodriguez. Last 20 seconds. 19. Jarabelo, wala. Lamang ng 5. Last 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. O, tingin mo. 5 seconds. Okay. And, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time! 45-40. The score is 45-40. Lamang ng 5 ang Jude. Pass to Janjan, tumira 3. Good for 3 points by Janjan. 19, number 19. Padilla, tumira 3, binawi. Wala. Number 5. 2 points by Alvin. Number 5. The score is 47-43. 47-43 in favor of Burao team. Jude, crossover. Wala. Same ball.
30 seconds.
13 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock tayo. 13 seconds shot clock. Foul. Stop. Number 12, Padilla na. Second personal foul. 2 free throws for number 16, Rivera. Tamasang-tamasa si Mr. Rivera. Okay lang yan. Palalo naman ng gilas eh. Uy! Good for 1 point by Rivera, number 16. The score is 47-44. Tatlo ang lamang ng Burao. Tatlo na lang. Valderrama, number 16.
15 seconds shot clock.
50 seconds shot clock. Padilla.
10.
Aras.
8.
Valderrama, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Sambo. Wala. Rebound by number 21, Eric. Si Eric. Dumila, wala. Jude. Janjan. Time out, Burao. 2 points by Janjan. 47-46, isa na lang. 46-47. Last 8 minutes and 39 seconds. 8 minutes and 39 seconds sa ating laro. Kabulan pa rin yung score. Talagang wala pa lumalamang ng malaki. Isa na lang ang lamang.
Tagal ko nga nagantay. Sabi ko, ba't wala?
Bola ng Burao. Nakashoot si Janjan. Bola ng Burao. Rosco. Pass to Padilla. Pass to Valderrama. Pumeke na 3. Wala.
15 seconds shot clock.
Wala. Valderrama pumeke. Wala. Rebound by Jude. Jude. Dribbling. Jude. Pumukul ng 3. Wala. Rebound by. Na-intercept ni Sambo. Janjan. Shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock. Foul. Counted. Foul si Janjan, number 19. Second personal foul ni Janjan. First team foul. Sub, wait. Hindi pa nabibigyan. Sub, di pa nabibigyan bola. Okay. Wala. Rebound ni Marco. Janjan, lumayap. Good for
Nice
2 points.
one.
Ang galing ni Janjan, inspired. Iba talaga pag may nagmamahal. Oo. Iba talaga pag may dialing. Inspired talaga. Kitang number 19. Foul. Tigil oras. Who's foul? Valderrama number 16 foul. Valderrama. First personal foul. Valderrama. Foul si Valderrama. Lamang ng isa kayo. Lamang ng isa. Lamang na sila ng isa. Torres for 2 points. Lamang na ng isa ang Bandidos. Lamang ng isa. Foul! Edwin, number 16. Substitution. Oh, Torres,
Side ball lang ba
naka-score ka
yun?
rin daw, sabi ng
14.
ating committee. Ay, wala na. May bola na ibigay na mamaya. Oh, stop. Substitution. Oo, siya. Oo, para siya lang tumitira eh. O Barto, wala. Out of bounds lang. Brown ball. Ah? Brown ball. Pass break! Gusto yung intercept. Nice defense. Jude. Foul number 11. 2 free throws for number 11, Jude. Oh, meron pa isa. May isa ba? Tumawag kayo nila. Tumawag kayo nung kanyang 8 minutes. First throw, Binorte. Parang hindi sila sa Giant. May dalawa pa yung patinis ano? Sa 14, si Jude. Oh, sila lang. Wala, di umawa. Rostom on the pass break. Rostom, pass to Padilla. Alley-oop shot. Good for 2 points by Padilla. Alley-oop shot. The score is all. 51 all. Tabla. Sana lahat all. China all. Marco, pass to Jude.
11 seconds
Number
shot
1. Palyata. Yorlito, number 2. Padilla. Wala. Jump ball. Pura out ball. Hindi, dito na. Kala mo ha. Pura out ball. Tabla pa rin score natin. All 51.
11 seconds shot clock. 9, 7,
6, 5. Tumama. Robert, wala pa rin. Agawan sa rebound. Bandidos ball. Marco, wala. Rebound by number 1. Last rebound. Oh, Marco 2 points, wala pa rin. Rebound by Robert. Pinas break kay Padilla. Nag-pass break, pumulong jumper. Wala. Ni-reverse. Wala. Padilla ulit. Wala. Rostom ulit. Baka naman. Shoot na. Foul number Robert. Foul si Robert, number 14. Second throw, wala pa rin. Tabangin on the rebound. Pass to Nelson. Pass break. Sumay step, wala.
17 seconds shot clock.
17 seconds na tayo. Last 5 minutes.
12,
Gusto?
10, 9, 8.
Wala. Tapangin ulit. Rebound ng Buraot. Rebound by number 1, Batigos. Foul, number 24. 24, Nelson. Penalty tayo, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty
Kala ko
Buraot.
umuwi ka na.
Ha?
Kala ko umuwi.
Ah. Apa, bakit mo in Henry? Siyempre, pals ko. Ya, cross kamera.
Ay, wala.
Hindi ako dyan, be. Cross
Muntik
kamera.
na. Foul, Jude. Number 1, 11. First personal foul. Third team foul. Sabi ko siya, sige.
Sobra nung sa init siguro ka.
Ayun o. Gusto yun lagi, nakabutang dyan.
Maestro, good for 1 point.
English yun eh. Binasa
Ready,
ko.
jumper.
Too much high daw, too much high. Your phone will be shut down after 3 seconds. Ana, sabi niya. In English ako.
Wala, rebound by number 1. Palata. Pass to Edwin.
Okay.
Counted.
Foul. Third team foul.
Wala na siya. Nahinga siya. Huli na yun.
Third personal foul.
Pero sa rin hindi, inumin na sir.
Penalty.
Hindi na siya makatulog.
Penalty. Tatlong foul ni Rasto. Ilipat ka. Good for 1 point. Ready, jumper? Huling tira yan. Good for 1 point by Edwin. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Buraot. Isa na lang.
Teng!
54-53.
Teng!
Fourth quarter na yan. Last 4 minutes tayo. 4 minutes. Counting na
16
lang.
second shot clock. 10,
Mahila, pambola. Hindi talaga makashoot. Foul, number 11. 14 foul pa lang.
Gusto lang pala lamang oh.
Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang for penalty. Pero 2 free throws. 2 free throws.
Ha?
Second personal ni Jude. Second personal ni Jude.
Saan o? Si Jude.
Good for 1 point. 55-53. The score is 55-53. Same ball. Nabitawan. Nelson, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Sayang. Good. Ka Edwin.
Or yun.
Foul.
Graduate eh.
2
Graduate
free
ano?
throws. 3 personal foul by Dave. 3 personal foul. Time out! Bandidos! Tigisan time out na lang ang nakikira sa both team. May tigisan time out. Maestro, good for 1 point.
John Chismes.
Good for 1 point ulit. Tabla tayo, 55 all. The score is 55 all. Dikit ang score.
14 second shot clock. 12, 10, 8, 6. Ay, wala.
Wala pa rin. Talaga naman. Mahilap ang pagkakataon. Dyan! Wala. Rebound by Padilla. Dave on the dribble, number 12. To Robert, dumright. Yun! Nakuha sa ganon sa persahan. Ayaw lang malapitan. Number 14. Hindi, nakadalawa siya.
Okay, 2 points.
Number 14. 14. 2 points. All. The score is all. Balik-balikan lang ang score. Walang lumalayo.
Patay. Boom.
Jude on the rebound. The rebounding number 11. Nagdidribble na si number 11. Tumas break. Pass to Janjan. Nagbaka sakali.
Patay.
Wala. Line ball. Line ball violation. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Overtime to.
All 57. Foul dyan, penalty. Substitution.
Tabla ang score, tabla.
Penalty tayo, penalty. Third personal foul.
Huwag kayo mag-overtime, tangin nerds.
Huwag ka na magtaka kung bakit 3.
Parang gilas sa ano case eh. Gilas, overtime.
Unang tira. Good for 1 point by Roscoe. Last shot. Ready jumpers. Good for 1 point uli by Roscoe, number 18. Lamang na ng dalawa, 59-57. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Last 1 minute na lang and 55 seconds. Foul.
Counted.
Continuous.
Rep, counted? Counted. Who's foul? 24. Hindi, si Nelson. Jude, nakasya si Jude. Foul si Nelson. Number 24. Yan. Okay, ready jumper. Isang free throw lang yan. Nelson, 3 personal. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Jude. Number 1.
Yun, oh.
Wala.
Sayang yun, paglamang nila yun.
Yorlito. Today.
Si Jude naka...
Dave. Nag-pass break. Good for 2 points by
Lusot
Dave
ba?
Padilla. 61-59. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 61-59. Wala. Pustik na. Time
Nautakan.
ball. Okay, Bandidos ball. Jude. Wala. Rebound. Roscoe. To Dave.
Babay na.
Easy 2 points by Dave. 4 na lamang.
Wala.
63-59. Yorlito. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Last 12 second shot clock.
12 seconds shot clock.
9, 7, 6, 5.
Rebound ulit ni
11 second shot clock.
Last 40 seconds. 40
Seven.
seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good yan. Good. Yan. Last 22 seconds. Wala. Last 17 seconds.
Nadali lang. Biglang.
Nadali po.
Last 10 seconds.
Biglang
9,
collapse.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Paano to yan save?
3, 2,
Umahabol pa. Saan to i-save? Saan i-save? Play pa yan.
65-59. The score 65-59. Lamang ng 6.
Tubig mo.
Ating